welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another easy bowl for weight loss. Making bowls is just one of the tools that I use to make meal planning and prep simple to help me lose the 70 pounds that I needed to lose and keep it off. You guys have been asking me to make more videos for weight loss bowls, so I think I'm gonna make it kind of a thing, and I'll start a playlist called Weight Loss Bowls where you can find a few of the other videos I've made all about weight loss bowls. So if you're new to my channel, this is where I show you how I lost 70 pounds on a plant-based diet and have been able to keep it off. Remember, you can also follow me on Instagram for more food and lifestyle inspiration. So now the thing that I love the most about making bowls is, again, it makes planning and prep super simple. During the work week, I'm really busy, so I generally pick 2 or 3 bowls that I want to just have on rotate for lunch and dinner for during the work week. I prep those ingredients, and then when mealtime comes, it's really easy to just throw it together, top it with a sauce or dressing, and dig in. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorites. It's my sweet potato with mango black bean salsa bowl. That was kind of a mouthful. I'll have to think of something else to call it. But I am not somebody who loves sweet potatoes. I have always struggled to like sweet potatoes if they weren't like drenched in butter and brown sugar. But this is one of the few ways that I really do enjoy sweet potatoes. But if you just cannot, no matter what, bring yourself to like sweet potatoes, that's okay. Just swap them out for regular potatoes, and this is still gonna be a really tasty, satisfying, filling bowl that is low in calories. This bowl has a really yummy black bean mango salsa that I put on top. And if you don't like mango, you can swap it out for pineapple. I've used fresh and canned pineapple before if mangoes aren't in season or they're expensive or not ripe, whatever. Pineapple is a really yummy swap. So if you want more meal ideas, make sure you check out my maximum weight loss playlist. I have tons of videos there where I show you full days of easy meals for weight loss. You can also watch my How I Eat in a Day vlogs, where you get to see more of my daily life, what life out here on the homestead is like, and some of my travels. And make sure to use the free resources that I provide for you guys. There's tons of free recipes on my website. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I'm always posting new content there. I'm always posting new recipes and lots of tips for making your weight loss journey successful. All right, guys, let's make this sweet potato bowl. Alright, so for this sweet potato black bean bowl, I'm going to start off by making my black bean mango salsa. So I'm going to start off with 1 can of black beans that I have drained and rinsed. And prepping for this bowl is so simple. You basically just have to cook your sweet potatoes and make your salsa, and then you're done. So now I'm going to take my mangoes and I'm going to slice them up. So I like to score the mango because it makes it easy to scoop out. Just be really careful not to cut your hand. I just take my spoon and scoop the pieces out. So now I'm going to chop my cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, just leave it out. You can also try adding parsley in its place. Now I'm going to dice my jalapeno. If you don't like it spicy, then just don't get any of those seeds in there. I am going to leave the seeds out because my kids are going to be eating this and they're kind of weenies when it comes to the spice. Now I'm gonna add just a little diced red onion. Oh no, my bowl is way too full. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this into a bigger bowl so I can mix it, and then I'll put it back in this container to store it. So now I'm just gonna add the juice of 1 to 2 limes, and I just do all of this to taste. You really can't mess it up. So now I'm just gonna season this with a little garlic salt, and I'm gonna sweeten it with a few drops of this stevia just because my mango is not quite sweet enough. You can use a little maple syrup or any sweetener that you enjoy. And there you go. It is all prepped and ready to go for the week. Okay, so for the bowl itself, I'm going to start with a nice base layer of some greens. You can use whatever greens you like. I just love the boxed spring greens because they're ready to go and it makes it easy. So now my potatoes are out of the oven and they've cooled just a little bit, so I'm going to get one chopped up and in my bowl. So now that I have my potato in my bowl, I'm going to add a few spoonfuls of the black bean salsa. And now I'm gonna make the raspberry lime dressing that I love to drizzle over this. So you're gonna start by taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of some raspberry jam. And I try to find one that is just fruit juice sweetened so it's lower in calories. So you're just gonna add a tablespoon or 2 to your container. And then you're gonna squeeze a little lime juice. I usually do about half a lime, but it can be a little tart, so just taste it as you go. Then to finish it off, I'm gonna add some chili flakes and it's ready to go. This combination is absolute magic. You don't need a ton of the raspberry dressing because the mango salsa is so flavorful. Everything comes together so well. I hope you guys give it a try. All right, guys, here it is. It is so tasty. And like I said, I'm not one that loves sweet potatoes, but this bowl is so tasty. And if you really just like hate sweet potatoes, you can make it with normal potatoes, doesn't matter. But remember to keep it simple. Food prep does not have to be complicated. If you prep your things ahead of time, you know what bowls you want to throw together during the week. It is seriously the easiest way to food prep and make things sustainable while you're on your weight loss journey. I have bowls all the time during the week because it is just the easiest way to eat. It's the easiest way to prep ahead of time. I hope you guys give it a try. And by the way, because I get asked every time I wear my glasses, people ask like where I got them, and they're prescription from my eye doctor, and I have to wear them because I get some serious eye strain from being on the computer too much and TikTok. It's like a never-ending rabbit hole on TikTok. Oh, it's so good. You get a bite with everything on it. It's so good, you guys.